Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing. Today we are diving into super useful topic: how to how to stop spam email with CAPTCHA in contact form 7. Where you are a developer or WordPress lover, this guide will help you to integrate CAPTCHA in contact form 7. So let's get started. In the first step, go uh, go to add new, go at here, add and in the sidebar and click on add new plugin, and then search contact form 7 recaptcha, and then click on install now. Click on activate. One step done, and now go to contact form 7 recaptcha settings. For it is pro version, they provided some tab: pro version, Google reCAPTCHA, H CAPTCHA, Cloudflare, and I am today we are talking about Google reCAPTCHA. So first, for it, first go to Google reCAPTCHA admin site, and then click on add new. Okay, and then click on site which you want to add, and then click on version 2 and I am not robot. Okay, and then add domain at here. Okay, then submit. Now it is your site key, so go to your admin side and paste key, and also copy secret key, and if you want and what message you want at here, so you can put at here, and if you want language change, then you can select language from here. Now in the default it is English language. Now it is successfully updated, and now for create add reCAPTCHA, we can copy this shortcode from here, and there are lots of option at here: dark audio, dark compact, so we can use these option. Now go to contact form in your site, and click on form, and then paste your shortcode at here, and then save, and then check. I think that I think I miss. Okay, go at here, put it here, and checking which form is working fine. One combination directory, how to resolve. Okay. Okay. No issue. Now captcha is coming at here. So now if you want to change size of captcha, then you can use these option. Okay, now it is changed. Also you can use these dark or audio. For audio type, use shortcode. So you can also use captcha for audio. Sorry. Okay, now via that you can also use compact theme dark and compact dark or other option also. So via this method you can use captcha in your contact form 7. And if you want to use edge captcha, so for edge captcha, go at here, so at here register at here, and then okay, I will cover edge captcha in another video, so that it will be easy. Today we are very focused for only captcha. So now in today video we discuss for how can add captcha in our site. Thanks for watching.